Good afternoon. My name is Uchenna, a student of Agricultural and Bioresources Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I'm 300 level. Well, to start with, I didn't choose this course. I chose mechanical engineering, but at the end I found myself in Agricultural and Bioresources Engineering. What I've learned so far from the course, I think the course cuts across all departments of engineering: mechanical, electrical, civil. And in our final year, we also provided with an option, and with 4 options of choosing, and those options also cut across the departments. Why would I say I didn't switch to mechanical as I wanted to do in my second year was because I found out that agriculture is the way. I found agriculture is the way forward, because Nigeria is a mono-economic country, as we all know. It's all dependent on oil. But I intend to, dive more into agriculture as when I've graduated and I've achieved what I want to achieve, because I know I'm achieving things and I'm learning things from this department. I think it's the best place to be. It's the best department to be. So, thank you.